Story tonight, the U.S. Supreme Court handing down a slew of landmark rulings today, one of them related to President Donald Trump's executive order to suspend birthright citizenship. WSAV's Christine Quayle spent the day speaking with experts on immigration law to learn what this ruling means for immigrant families.
Yes, Kaylee. So several months ago, President Trump signed an executive order that would make it so that any child born to parents who are considered to be, quote, unlawfully present or under status that is, quote, lawful but temporary would not be granted citizenship at birth. Today, the Supreme Court ruled on a case related to this order, but the ruling didn't necessarily address the heart of the matter.
This executive order is unconstitutional. This issue has not been yet resolved.
In Trump v. Casa, the High Court did not rule on whether the president can or cannot suspend automatic citizenship for those born in the U.S. Instead, they ruled 6-3 that birthright citizenship was not the issue at hand.
When the president issued that executive order, 3 courts said, Mr. President, you overstepped your bounds and we will issue what's called an injunction. And that injunction will apply to the entire United States.
At that point, questions arose about judicial overreach.
The U.S. Supreme Court looked solely at that issue and determined that that federal judge did not have the power or the authority to issue a nationwide injunction.
That means the injunction on Trump's birthright citizenship order only stands in the states where it was issued.
As of this very moment, technically, the executive order can take effect in all other states, including South Carolina and Georgia. Might be, and most likely will happen, that within the next few days, we will see new legal actions, new court orders.
The order's not going to go into effect for 30 days, right? So there's 30 days for this to be fought out.
But then,
what are you going to do with somebody in a hospital, undocumented alien, they have a child? You know, are the ICE agents going to show up and take that child and kick them out of the United States?
This is a very vulnerable and very particular group of people that are all in legal status, yet they are not green card holders yet. They are on the path to green card holder, to become green card holders, but not yet. And so if they have a child that is born, what does this mean for this child?
and while citizenship that has already been granted cannot be revoked, if this order goes into effect in the states that have not ruled on it, it would apply to all newborns that do not have at least one parent with legal status. And that legal experts that I spoke to say it could trigger hundreds of thousands of lawsuits in the meantime. Christine Quayle, WSAV News 3, on your side.